Have you been feeling the heat or the cold in your home lately? Is your air conditioner or heating system not working properly? Look no further than CPC Appliance Repair for all your air conditioning and heating needs. At CPC Appliance Repair, we pride ourselves on providing top-notch service to all of our customers. We work quickly and efficiently to diagnose and fix any issues with your air conditioner or heating system, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. So why suffer through the sweltering heat or bone-chilling cold any longer? Call CPC Appliance Repair today for all your air conditioning and heating needs. Our friendly staff is standing by to schedule your appointment and get your system back on track. CPC Appliance Repair, keeping your home comfortable all year long.